So if I don't succeed, it's all about having fun and trying. What's up, viewers? Today's new and let's make it awesome. As you can tell, we're doing another experiment because I have my scientist shirt on right now. Let me stand up. You might not see my face, but I can show you right now. See? I'm wearing my scientist shirt right now, and we are going to do a experiment right now. Well, not like right now, but like I'm gonna do one outside, not like inside, because it's gonna be a little bit too messy if we do it inside. So yeah, let's get right to the video. So we are going to make a pumpkin volcano. Hooray. So yeah, let's get to the video. If you don't know how to cut, what you probably do, so first step is to take a knife. No, I'm not trying to scare you, but take the knife, punch it into the pumpkin just like that, pull it out, and keep on doing it. I am just now cutting my pumpkin right now. Here's just one lump, but I have to cut off all this in here, all this glunk. So that's good, like right now. So put this in first. There we go. Then I think we put in the dye. Not a lot. Just our vinegar in. So, okay. Here we go. This is gonna get messy. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. I thought it was just gonna like go really high. Oh, oh, oh! There it is. More baking soda! Go, 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 go! That is so cool! Oh, let's put our lid on! Oh, sorry viewers. But look at that mess that it did.